My 1981 Lister 16.2, received virtually as you're looking at it, pretty much unused, from Western Canada. Got the display all set up. Here it is, June, getting ready for the engine shows. Had a couple issues. The coolant tank should have been higher. I wanted to keep the overall height of the display down, but I'm getting some splashing out of the top. Going to resolve that shortly, hopefully. And we're just going to give her a twist here, see if we can get her lit up for you. I hope you enjoy the machine. I'll start it up, let her run for a minute, and shut her back down. Take care.